All right, everybody. So today is December 11th, and what are we doing today?
We went to
The
New
closing,
Clark.
New Clark
Yeah, for the closing ceremony.
closing ceremony, and
And we didn't expect that there's a lot of people now over here.
yeah, well, it's a lot of people, but it's also a lot of confusion.
Yeah.
We actually went down to the stadium. I asked him about tickets, and
We asked the guard,
yeah,
one of the security guard over there.
right. And we asked about tickets,
Yeah,
and
the guard
we
said,
we got the standard answer.
yeah,
We don't have any ticket.
out of
What?
out of stock or they don't
Yeah.
have, out
They're
of
out of
stock.
stock.
But it's okay because the ticket is, even if you don't have ticket, it's free for
Right.
those who want to watch the game.
Right. Yeah, that's true.
So all you need to do is you need to fall in line.
Yep.
But you need to fall in line. How many hours will we fall in line?
Well,
Almost 2 hours.
what time is it now?
Um,
About 4:30, 4 o'clock.
yeah.
Finally moving, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's moving.
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving. And it's
Finally moving. I think we've been in line, what, for an hour and a half, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Maybe even more. But it ain't moving very fast, so it didn't move very far. One car length. So it is, we'll see. All right, so regarding the ticket, I'm used to having a ticket and you get a seat and a section.
Yeah.
That is apparently not the rule today, for sure.
Yeah. You know what I noticed today?
No?
Only the VIP are walking on the right side. If you have a VIP ticket, you can walk on the right side.
Yeah.
On the left side is that line is no ticket.
All right. Yeah, we're not VIPs. That's
Yeah,
for
we're
sure.
not VIPs.
Not-
we are for free ticket.
Free tickets.
Yeah, free ticket.
Why pay for it?
Yeah, left side is for free ticket.
All right. Well, the line, if you look at it, look at the stadium all the way down there.
Yeah.
It's thousands of people.
Yeah, from the stadium to the gate, almost gate outside.
Right. And if you look back the other way, the line goes all the way up to the road. I mean, that's about, I would guess, half a kilometer, 1 kilometer or something like that.
Yeah.
It's a lot of people.
A lot of people. That's the first time I saw a lot of people lining up.
Right. Yeah, so, but it's interesting. There is a lot of buses coming in. I'm assuming that has been all the athletes from the other areas. I see fire trucks from Olongapo. They built up this event, and it looks well organized, but I kind of got a hint that as far as getting in there, it's not going to be as organized as we were hoping for.
Yeah. So how many buses do you think is here in the arena inside New
I
Clark?
have no clue.
It's a lot of buses.
Yeah, there's been a lot of buses coming in. Somebody told me.
Now this this ano now, people are pushing my back.
Yeah, they're pushing us up now.
Yeah,
So we're getting closer and closer to the
entrance.
entrance.
All you need to do is to pull in line.
Yeah.
Just
But right now, the sun has gone down already.
yeah,
We started this when the sun was up. I think it was like 4 o'clock, 3:30.
yeah, and the sun is so.
Right, and right now,
We're just standing there and sweating
right,
when we
it was,
arrive.
it's really hot.
Yeah.
Right now, I think it's about 6 o'clock. 6.
Yeah. See, there's a lot of
Hey, look at the lines behind us.
there's a lot of people.
So it's about 6 o'clock. I think we were here about 3 o'clock, 3:30, and we've been standing in line since then.
Yeah. Then
So
some people are
Yeah.
the line is so slow. Slow move
right,
like a snail.
yeah. Well, it's been a snail moving line for
Yeah.
sure.
That's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah. Well, we're almost there. So we'll see. They're pushing us in now pretty hard.
See, look at those people. They're pushing each other.
And people are really scuffing us.
Yeah,
We're
to get
pushing
in.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get through that gate. All right, so we finally got inside here. After about how many hours in line, huh?
Almost 2.
Almost 2 hours waiting. So now we are finally inside. I thought it was more than 2 hours, but maybe not. Fine. All right, it looks pretty here. You got the that's the training facility. All right, so what are they saying? On this side? I guess it's full up there. So they have. Yeah.
Now
It's crazy organization here. On this side, but it's totally empty on the other side. So why don't they bring people over that way? It's crazy. So where do they have some seats here? Huh? All right, let's see. Chaos. Hold on to me. You serious?
yes, I'm serious.
Did you have the wallet in there?
Yeah. Someone pick it up.
But you know they're kind of crazy here. hurting people. Huh? Yeah, but they have the stage. Why they set the stage up this way, I don't understand. If they put it over there, they can fill the whole stand. Huh? Are you sure you had it with you?
Yeah.
How sure are you that you had it with you?
I put the 500 over there. It's gone.
So I should have kept the 500.
Thank God I didn't.
Huh?
They didn't at this moment.
All right, guys. So my wife just got pickpocketed here. Well, we don't need to go home because your wallet is gone.
Yeah.
Here, hold this so we don't lose that. What else did you have there?
It's only 500.
All right. Well, luckily she had only 500 pesos in there, so it's about $10. Her driver's license, phone, everything else was in the handbag.
Yeah, I'm lucky that the pickpocketed.
Oh, they got away with 500 pesos.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah. If we get a hold of them, they're not going to be too happy, I bet you.
Yeah.
So, anyway, let's move on. You can't see it. You can't see anything.
My attitude is low. My
Yeah.
patience is not good now.
Right. No, I understand. I understand. So it happens outside before we got in. I didn't see if it was closed or open. I didn't look at it. I took your bag unless it fell out on the band and it was open. But then we can go down and ask them. Anyway, so we're going to head down to where they have the metal detectors and check it out. They have no seats here. Everybody's pushing. I don't like it.
Yeah.
And we're going to go down there and we probably turn around and head back home. It's crazy how to set a stage up. There's about half full stadium and they packed probably 15,000 people in where 10,000 people should sit.
Yeah, but the other side is empty. Why?
Yeah, it's half empty or half full or whatever.
Yeah.
But the way they organize it is crazy.
Yeah, the organizer.
All right, so let's go and find your wallet. All right, so anyway, this kind of turned out to be like almost a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
Don't think I would give them.
Oh, look.
All right, there you go. Is there any more? All right, so anyway, it turned out to be pain in the butt, I would say. What do you say?
Huh? Me?
What do you say?
I'm just disappointed.
Disappointed, yeah. Obviously, she got pickpocketed in the turmoil in there. I would say the organizers, and the security, police, whatever, they totally lost control. Everybody was just stampeding to get in. We were told a couple of hours before, waiting in line for 2-3 hours, and when you get in, there is absolutely no seats available. They're herding people like cattle around. We asked for tickets because tickets generally have sections and seats on it, so they know how many people they take in.
Yeah.
We heard a famous word here in the Philippines. What is it, hon?
Pickpocket?
No.
No. Sorry.
When you go to a restaurant, what's the famous thing? What's the famous word? Out of stock.
Yeah, out of stock.
So talking about that, tickets out of stock.
Yeah.
We don't have any more tickets.
I think there is a little bit problem with the organizer here.
A little bit of a problem.
Yeah.
Come on, it's a huge problem with them. Disappointing. When we walked through security a second time, somebody snatched your wallet. You had to put it on the line and send it through. And somehow somebody snatched it. By the time it came on the other side, it looked like it was open and the wallet was gone.
Yeah.
So it's crazy.
That's what happened to me now.
Yeah. Just now.
Just now.
Anyway, so we decided we're not going to participate in the event. At least we stayed here. We waited. Everything is pretty nice around here, facilities and everything. But I would say the organizer has failed, in my opinion. All right.
Overall, it is really nice inside.
Yeah. And let's swing around here. Here's the aquatic center. I think they made that pretty nice at nighttime.
Yeah.
The roof is lit up with neons, and it looks pretty nice actually. And I think it looks like they have people watching from there as well with cameras and stuff. So let's go over here and see.
Yeah, there's a lot of police.
So a lot of police, but they couldn't do anything about your wallet. All right, but luckily you didn't have a whole lot of money in it.
No, luckily they didn't get my driver license.
And luckily you didn't have your driver's license in there either. So the only thing they got was 500 pesos.
Why the pocketer didn't get my phone and then my...
Yeah, they didn't take the phone out of her bag. They just snatched the wallet. But I guess the wallet was easy to reach and it had to go real quick because it takes only a few seconds to get that thing through.
Suddenly my bag.
And through the security gates, they were pushing like, I don't know, they were pushing like 3, 4, 5 people through the scanners and metal detectors. And there was 3, 4, 5 people going through at the same time in each one of them. And people were like stampeding each other to get in there. And when we got in, as you have seen a little bit, we got in, there was absolutely no seats available. Then they started hurdle people behind the stage over to the other side. And instead of opening the gates on the other side, they take them through where people are stampeding each other. It's ridiculous. But anyway.
Yeah, it just flashback what happened 5 years ago.
Yeah, when I got pickpocketed. But luckily we had gotten rid of the money then too, because that's when we bought our rings and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So we had already spent all that money. But anyway, we are going to head back home, guys. And
yeah, because we can't stand inside.
There is too much.
Too much people, no of it. But there is little bit available seat, but I don't know why the organizer
Yeah.
didn't open. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know why they didn't open on the back end of
Yeah.
it, but
You
and
know
they
that
put
there's a lot of people coming here.
right, and they put the stage right in the center on the horizontal line, so they can't utilize more than half the stadium, and there's got to be at least 15,000 people there today, maybe
Yeah.
more. It's crazy. So, all right, for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
give us a subscription and cheer my wife up a little bit. Bye bye for now.